Oh yeah, did you see that? That police said that she illegally entered the intersection of Venus Williams. Isn't that fatal? She's like, what the fuck?
What the heck? Oh, we caught two hiccups.